returning back home to the key. An army of yellow jumped out at me. I rolled down the window, I heard someone shout, "This here is the home of your new roundabout." Now a roundabout is something that should make your life good, and I'm sure that it will, once we've all understood. It's not just a circle that works as a light, it's the highway to heaven if you don't do it right. Roundabout's good and the roundabout's bad, and it makes me happy and it makes me sad. It's wet when it's raining, when it's sunny she's dry. I love that roundabout, I just don't know why. Some come to Englewood to lay in the sand, and some of them come down here to see their old friends. And I'm pretty sure nobody comes around to hear construction crews pounding while they're drinking their beer. This roundabout's making some really big news. Some sing its praises, some sing the blues. It's really no problem, I heard someone say, and if you're afraid you can drive the back way. The roundabout's good and the roundabout's bad. It makes me happy and it makes me sad. It's wet when it's raining, when it's sunny she's dry. I hate that roundabout, I just don't know why. I'm not sure whose idea this roundabout was. These things sort of happen, kind of like Santa Claus. But the next thing you know, the whole islands have changed, and only them freaking sea turtles remain. This roundabout's changed a lot of folks' lives, not only the road, but the town and its size.
Hello, can you hear me? Good afternoon, my wonderful protesters. I'm doing a final ticket call. If you brought a sign and would like to receive a ticket for the raffle, please come see me now.